Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is like my first official video of 2021, so I feel like it's a little late, but I'm still within the first week. So happy new year, and this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do all types of natural hair videos with some skincare and lifestyle, so please be sure to subscribe if that's your kind of thing, and I'll see you in the next one. For today's video, if you have been on this journey with me, then you know 2021 is going to be a special hair care journey for me. Now I'm definitely sticking to the regimen that I mentioned back in October, but I am on a revival type journey for my hair. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but my hair has been dramatically damaged due to heat, and I immediately wanted to do a protein treatment just because I want to keep my hair strengthened. I want to keep my hair moisturized, and I just want to make sure that I am continuously giving Fred the care and love and support that he needs. Mind you, this wash routine was something that I had in place prior to the heat damage, so I would say around October I started using more heat on my hair. I was doing blowouts, I was doing silk presses like once a month, and I knew that was something that I wanted to do, so I had already picked up this product, which I haven't even introduced yet. Today's video is all about the Real Protein treatment from GreenBeauty, you know, YouTube's very own GreenBeauty, which I look to for information about my 4C hair, and I didn't even realize she had products out to even purchase. So I was super excited when I came across this a few months ago, and I wanted to give it a fair shot and a fair review. So this is not a first impression. I have used this before. Like I said, had intended to incorporate it into my normal regular maintenance of my hair, and that is exactly what I have done. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. The Real Protein treatment is made from hydrolyzed wheat protein. It is a legit protein treatment that is going to focus on the damage on your strands and cuticles and all the scientific things that I don't really know too much about. Okay, so about this Real Protein treatment, it has a pH balance of 6. So what it does is it penetrates the damaged parts of your hair and cuticle and basically repairs it. It's not something that you apply to your scalp. It is not just a strengthening treatment. This is a real legit protein treatment, which I need because I spent most of 2020 just using strengthening products. Like, you know, I was using Briogio's Don't Despair Repair every 6 to 8 weeks, but honestly I feel like my hair just needed a little more, especially if I wanted to incorporate more heat. So that is why I picked up this bottle. This is the 4 fluid ounce, I believe. Yeah, this is the 4 fluid ounce bottle, which is $11. I'm sure, I think she has an 8 ounce bottle, which might be like 16. I will have that linked down below. Also, I'm just gonna make a playlist about this journey, so all of these videos will be in a playlist so you can watch my journey and see how this goes, or if I just big chop. But anyways, so this product can be used on all hair types, no matter your porosity, whether you are color treated, relaxed, you can use it on your hair. For low porosity hair though, they do say to only use a ½ ounce, and if you have medium to high porosity, it is okay for you to go in with 3 ounces. And what you're gonna do is just pick up a regular schmegular conditioner. I went in with the Cream of Nature aloe and black castor oil, which if you haven't tried out that line, it's pretty good. It's a great strengthening protein system that you can pick up at like locally, like CVS and Walgreens and things like that. So I decided to just I eyeballed it, of course, ½ cup of that conditioner, and then I did add in the 3 ounces of the protein treatment. This protein treatment is not like the Afro-G. It is not intended for you to use it on its own. It works better when it is mixed with a conditioner, and just a regular conditioner. You don't need anything that is particularly like strengthening, anything that is going to do anything extra. Just like, you can buy any cheap old conditioner and just add this to it to make it do what you need it to do, which was another thing that I really liked, because it's more of like a supplement, because I have so many products that I don't necessarily love, and it's gonna help me get through my product stash, which we are definitely trying to do that in the new year. But there are also instructions that you can use this as a deep conditioner, and you just add tablespoons instead of ounces. So it is suggested that you use this every 2 weeks. I have only used it once a month, but I'm probably just going to continue using it once a month. Now, I will say I'm not really a fan of the consistency. Once I mix it together, it really makes my conditioner situation into this loosey-goosey thing that kind of makes it hard to apply. So I don't know if you want to take the extra steps and maybe funnel this into a bottle and then apply it to your hair that way. It might be less messy and just be more steps, but I just left mine in my bowl and applied it to my hair generously. Like, I used every bit of this conditioner protein treatment mixture on my hair, because I really wanted to make sure my hair was coated. I wanted to get every single benefit that I could, and I just wanted to make sure Fred is good. I am praying to the gods on this situation, but I applied it liberally. It says you can sit under a dryer or with your steamer for 30 to 45 minutes. I, of course, took the shortcut, which I am gonna stop doing, but I just put my heated cap on for about an hour. I heated it twice because I really wanted this to work, and I really wanted this to penetrate into my strands. And y'all, I love this protein treatment. I feel like it's not as strong and messy as the Afro-G two-step treatment, and it does what it says that it's gonna do. This is, like I said, this is not a first impression. I've seen whenever my hair starts to shed, which it was just shedding a little more, I've used this, and next time I washed my hair, I definitely did not have as much shedding. My hair felt very soft and manageable after I used it. You all gave me so many compliments on that Soul Tanicles video, but what you didn't know was that I had actually washed and redid my hair because I was so devastated by the damage. But and I had used this protein treatment prior, and it just really left my hair looking and feeling good. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. I love supporting people from our YouTube community, and this has a shelf life. If you keep it in the refrigerator, you can keep it for up to a year, but if not, it still lasts about 8 months. But I like that I can buy this small amount, and you only get maybe 2 or 3 uses, which is completely fine with me. But I like it. I really like this, and I feel like with continued use, you will definitely see the benefits of it. Now, the cons would be how messy it is. I can't remember the smell. It smells like a protein treatment. I don't like the smell. Another con would be adjusting the measurements to fit your hair. Like, I just so happen to have dense, thick hair that I could use the suggested amounts and be okay. But if your hair is finer than mine or not as long or longer, you will definitely have to figure out what consistency you want and potency kind of that you would like. All in all, I liked it. It was just a part of my normal hair care routine. Shout out to GreenBeauty. Like I said, I had no idea. She's expecting a little one now, so if you haven't heard of her, please go check her out. Like, she breaks it down scientifically and explains a lot of things that I needed for this type 4 hair. Okay, she helped me get Fred together in some ways. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up if you did. Share it with a friend who might be looking for a good old protein treatment. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. I will see you all in the next one.